this is with our pure water system. This is brand new for us. I don't think anyone else in the city is using it. I'm not positive about that. So I'm going to start at the top and work my way down. Here we'll get in the edges and then start at the top again and work our way down. And we scrub in multiple directions to make sure that we try not to leave any dirt. Now once that's done, now that's been scrubbed with the brush and rinsed at the same time with purified water. That is as pure or purer than the water you would buy at the water store. 0 parts per million. Water starts out in Winnipeg between 200 and 300 parts per million. Okay, so that's just to knock the excess water off, and then we'll do the edge. Now this system obviously has to be done outside, so we remove all the screens first. So now we've got 2 screens. This screen was done with the traditional window cleaning method. I want to try and get, I don't know if you can see from the angles, but there are marks all over it. The marks are from uneven cleaning, because with a damp towel or sponge you just can't get perfectly even, particularly when you're working in a person's home and you can't use a lot of water. Additionally, there's soap residue that's dried on there. Soap residue is sticky, so not only does that screen not look good, it's had a chance to dry now, so it's not from the drying. So now I'm going to show you the pure water system on the same screen, and I'm only going to do half of it. I'm doing the half with the tabs on it, so we can keep track of what's happened here. You can, I don't know if you can see or not, but there are soap bubbles running down the screen. Okay, knock off the excess water again. To the edge. And again, this method, of course, has to be done outside. Now I'm just going to wave this to get it to dry a little faster, because you can't really see how clean something is until it's thoroughly dried. And the beauty of the pure water is that it's pure water. When water dries and leaves spots or a residue, it's because of the dirt in the water. And that's what we take out with the purification system. Okay, that's feeling pretty dry now. Just give it a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to try and get an angle on this. I don't know if you can see. This is the side that was done with the pure water. It's not 100% dry in some areas, but as I'm looking at it here, I can see a grayish film with unevenness on it from the standard window cleaning method, whereas this side is almost perfectly even color and a much darker color, like a screen's supposed to be, because of the pure water, the scrubbing, and then the rinsing. Now additionally, this side is going to stay cleaner because there's no soap residue for the dirt to stick to. So I'm going to finish up the rest of them, and you might be able to see, just let me take this, you might be able to see here, the garage door is dirty, but these screens here have been done with the pure water method, These screens have not yet. So you can see there's significant dirt removal.